This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Ron Pletcher. This lovely home is nestled on 3/4-acre lot in Edgewood Hills. The mature trees and landscaping create a park-like feel to the backyard. An open floor plan offers great sight lines from the kitchen into the dining room and the step-down family room. The cheerful kitchen has granite countertops, includes all appliances, and a movable kitchen island. You can entertain in the formal living room or the spacious family room with wood-burning fireplace. The dining room opens to the deck and the kitchen opens into the 29x9 screen porch. Both are wonderful places for time outdoors and both look out over the backyard with a fire pit, fenced garden area and shed. 3 bedrooms and 2 updated full baths are positioned on the upper level. The primary bedroom features double closets and an ensuite bathroom. In the step-down lower level is a 4th bedroom and a half bath. The walkout basement area features a rec room, storage and the laundry. Home has a new water heater and all new windows. This neighborhood is convenient to shopping, restaurants,